Hello viewers, hope that you all are fine and doing well. Today I am going to analyze a different topic astrologically. All of you meanwhile know that the Russian opposition leader Mr. Alexei Navalny protested with some political issues against current President Mr. Vladimir Putin. Now I am going to analyze in brief astrologically what might be the consequence of this protest. In this regard, I have to analyze three horoscopes. One is Putin's horoscope, another one is Navalny's horoscope, and the last horoscope is for the country Russia. I would like to utter one thing that I mustn't let you know all things of planets, stars, pada, coron and divisional charts etc. in this video clip. If I would like to tell you in details minutely, then it will take more time and the video clip will be bigger. I would just show you some Raj Yogas and related things in this video clip. So viewers, let's move to horoscope. First, I am going to analyze Mr. Vladimir Putin's horoscope. His Lagna or ascendant is Libra and moon sign is Taurus. There are 10 Raj Yogas in Putin's horoscope. Number 1. Exchange Raj Yoga. Lord of Sagittarius, planet Jupiter is in the Aries sign, and Lord of Aries, planet Mars is in the Sagittarius sign. It's a good Raj Yoga. Number 2. Fourth Lord or fourth Kendropati, planet Saturn, and ninth Lord or Trikonpati Mercury together is in the 12th house from ascendant. It is also a very good Raj Yoga. Number 3. Ganmul Yoga. It is actually one kind of dosh. As you have taken, Putin has taken birth in Kritika Nakshatra or star. This is not so very good. For this reason, he has to face some difficulties. I am telling you one after another. Please listen minutely. Number 4. Mallavya Yoga, as planet Venus is in Kendra house, in Lagna or first house in Libra sign, and it is one of the Pancha Mahapurush Raj Yoga or the 5 great yoga. It's a very important yoga for his political life. For this yoga, he has very intelligent, attractive, educated, rich, prosperous and diplomat. Venus is in the planet for luxury and materialistic prosperity. That's why he can see, we can see these kind of things around him. Number 5. Anfa Yoga, as planet Jupiter is in the 12th house from luminary planet Moon. That's why he has majestic appearance, good reputation, people's and high officials' support. The planet Jupiter makes him serious-minded. Number 6. Daridra Yoga. It is one kind of bad yoga. As 11th Lord, the luminary planet Sun is in the 12th house from ascendant. It makes native to do some sinful or criminal deeds. But as planet Mercury is there, so Mercury and Sun together makes Buddhaditya Yoga. It is also a one kind of Raj Yoga. You can count it as seventh Raj Yoga. On the other hand, planet Venus is in the Lagna or ascendant, its own sign Libra. For this kind of planetary position, Daridra Yoga very partially valid. Number 8. Dor Yoga, as 10th Lord Moon is in the 8th house from ascendant, so Putin will work hard and very smartly. But this yoga get harmed by others suddenly. Hence, Buddhaditya Yoga present in 12th house and planet Venus is in the ascendant Libra sign, so Dor Yoga is also valid partially. Number 9. Vesi Yoga. As planet Venus is in the second house of luminary planet Sun, that's why Mr. Vladimir Putin very fortunate, happy, famous and aristocratic. Number 10. Chandra Yoga. As planet Venus is in the Lagna first house Libra sign and Jupiter is in 7th house just opposite of Venus, it makes him healthy, wealthy, happy, scholar, diplomat, great politician also. Viewers, you know recently Rahu is in the 8th house already from 23rd September 2020 in transit, and 7 planet will be in 4th house from ascendant from 9th February 2021 in transit. On the other hand, Jupiter Antardosha will be continuing up to 24th November 2022 under Saturn Mahadosha number 1. Number 2, Mercury Antardosha will be continuing up to 21st April 2025 under Mercury Mahadosha. Number 3, Ketu Antardosha will continuing up to 18 April 2026 under Mercury Mahadosha. So he must have to be very careful with his political life and should take any kind of decision very cautiously, as up to 18 April 2026 is not very favorable period for him astrologically. Furthermore, by this period he has to face many kinds of challenges and obstacles. Viewers, now I am going to analyze Mr. Alexei Navalny's horoscope in brief. His Lagna or ascendant is Leo and moon sign is Leo too. There are 7 Raj Yogas are present in his horoscope. First one is, as first lord luminary planet Sun and planet Venus are in together in the 10th house from ascendant or moon, that is why it makes a Raj Yoga. In this case, planet Venus is in its own sign Taurus. This yoga just gives him 50% positive result in his life. Number 2, 7th Kendra Lord planet Saturn and 9th Trikon Lord Mars are in 12th house together in Cancer sign from Lagna or ascendant and moon too. This yoga is not a favorable yoga for him. Saturn and Mars together makes one kind of Vish yoga or poisonous yoga. That's why he had to face some difficulties and will have to face same. For this kind of yoga, natives get to go jail, litigations, etc. Saturn and Mars yoga give threaten on life sometimes. This conjunction also keep native away from family. Number 3. At the same time, Saturn and Mars will give some good result too, as they are in 12th house from luminary planet Moon. It makes Anfa Yoga. This yoga or combination will give him majestic appearance, courage, brave, political power, self-controlled, intellect, people's love and respect. Number 4. Guru Chandal Yoga is also present in his horoscope. It is one kind of bad yoga. Actually, it is one kind of inauspicious also. As planet Jupiter and shadow planet Ketu are in together in 9th house from ascendant. That's why he sometimes act or perform immorally and misdeeds. Number 5. Vesi Yoga. As planet Jupiter is in the 12th house from luminary planet Sun, so he is liberal, prosperous and good politician. Number 6. Buddhaditya Yoga. As planet Mercury and luminary planet Sun are in together in 10th house Taurus sign, so he is undoubtedly brilliant. To calculate his birth chart is not very easy, as same planets give bad results sometimes and sometimes same planets give good results too. Anyway, shadow planet Rahu is in the 10th house from 23rd September 2020 in transit from ascendant and moon too. On the other hand, 7 planets will be in 6th house from ascendant and moon from 9th February 2021 in transit. Friends, Sun Antardosha will be continuing under Mars Mahadosha up to 8th November 2022, number 1. Number 2, Moon Antardosha will be continuing under Mars Mahadosha up to 8th June 2023. Number 3, Rahu Antardosha will be continuing under Rahu Mahadosha up to 20 February 2026. So he must have to very careful with his political life and should take any kind of decision very cautiously, as up to 20th February 2026 is not very favorable period for him astrologically. Furthermore, by this period he has to face many kinds of challenges and obstacles. I would like to tell you one thing. There are some similarities about timing between Putin's horoscope and Navalny's horoscope. So viewers, keep your eyes on screen to look at the horoscope of country Russia. This is the Kundali or horoscope of Virgo ascendant and moon sign is Capricorn. Dear viewers, let's come to the point directly. You know, shadow planet Rahu is in the ninth house on this horoscope from 23rd September 2020 in transit from ascendant and 5th house from moon. Furthermore, 7 planets will be in 5th house from ascendant from 9th February 2021 in transit. On the other hand, luminary planet Sun Antardosha under shadow planet Rahu Mahadosha will be continuing up to 8th March 2021. So current protest will be under control by current government. Number 1. Number 2. Luminary planet Moon Antardosha under shadow planet Rahu Mahadosha will be continuing 8 September 2022. Number 3. Planet Mars Antardosha under shadow planet Rahu Mahadosha will be continuing up to 26th September 2023. Number 4. Planet Jupiter Antardosha under Jupiter Mahadosha will be continuing up to 14th November 2025. By this time period, Russia has to be prepared to face some difficulties such as political protest, revolt, new virus problem, some criminal issues, criminal tendency also can be enhanced, and big natural disaster. But the positive thing is Russia will be going ahead through challenges, difficulties and obstacles. These are my astrological calculations for Russia. I wish good luck for Russian people as well as country Russia. Thank you very much. Bye bye.